So, this bad boy needs a bit of an upgrade. Now the upgrade is the entire thing. This entire poster is made out of foam, and I thought about making it into plastic. So that means completely scrapping this and getting a cut to size plastic sheet the exact same size as this, which I've already got the measurements, and we're going to do the same idea, but it's going to be made out of plastic. So that means that needs to go. So the letters are going to be made out of plastic from the good old 3D printer because it's going. There's going to be LED strips. Oh my god, I've got so much planned for this poster. Let's get to work. Okay, so you may remember this poster, you may not remember this poster. Now, there will be links in the description to all the videos from 2 years ago that started the process of making this bad boy. Now, we are going to dismantle this. Now my heart is breaking at the moment because we're going to be dismantling this. I don't want to dismantle it, but I'm dismantling it for the greater good. Now, let me explain. So this is going to be made out of plastic eventually. We're going to be getting a cut to size plastic sheet of this size. This exact size. For the wall. It's the same idea. Now once I get the printer up and running, we will be 3D printing the initials of the new brand name. If you haven't noticed, I've changed it yet again to the Dream Auto Builder. Now it makes more sense now. It makes more sense now. So it'll be DAB pretty much. And I probably did it wrong. I never made it for that reason, by the way, in case you're wondering. So, do I dismantle it on camera? Do I make this a memorable moment? An opportunity for photos for myself, for future memories? Gosh, a lot of work went into this, but I'm stalling. the Velcro in place. I'm not going to peel it off yet because I want to save the stickiness. Oh, sugar, what have I done? Boom. I have done this side as well. I'm just going to do along here now. Now, hang on, let me just get used to this here. Now the massive plastic sheet is going to be coming very soon. I just don't know when it's going to come because I've just got the email the other day. I need to actually have a look at it. But it's coming soon. It's coming soon. Ah! The massive poster is almost there. We just need to get some pictures printed off, and I've already got documents saved, so that's gonna go on the posters. And God, I'm really excited to be back to filming these videos. It's been far freaking too long. Got the bumper video uploaded and ready to be posted tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Be ready. But the poster, yes. The poster, guys. In the next video, we will be starting the photos, and gosh, I cannot describe my excitement at the moment. So, see you in the next one. Woo! Don't ask what that was.